boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about the stand-up charger quality, pros and cons, sharing with you a advantage and disadvantage. So I found on the market two types of stand-up chargers for clippers. Okay, and there's this type which sometimes I have to pull these things, like pull it out and put it back in place so it can do contact with those two little metals right there and make contact with these two so it can charge. I noticed that the charge on this charger is slower than the charge on this charger. This one is a original charger from Wall. All right, look at that. Those two have to make contact with these two. Now, what I noticed is that this is heavy duty. It's meant to last almost forever. But this type of charger has been giving me problems. Sometimes they last weeks. Sometimes they last 2 months or less, and that's it. Now, this is a babyless charger. This charger has been great, has been amazing, and it's just for babyless. I cannot complain about this one. But, well, the Gamma charger, I can't complain about this one either. And the Slimline has its own stand-up charger, and so does the Wall Dictator, its own stand-up charger. As you can see right there, it's very similar to the other Wall stand-up charger right here. Now, these two are broken. Yep, just like you hear. How long did they last? Not even 2 months. Look what I got here. This is what's happening. You see that? Those little metal are very sensitive and very easy to break and bend. And I'm just tired of fixing them, messing with them. Look at this one. All right. This one I have to pull it out. This thing right here, I have to pull it out. The whole point is to make contact with these two. But those little metal, they are easy to bend. And these two metals are not easy to bend because they're more solid, all right? They are only being pushed down to make contact with this. They get pushed down by this, and that's it. But I cannot bend them at all. This is heavy duty. This one is meant to last. I know they cost a little bit more because you can get these ones for like $12, $15 each. But this one, the wall charger, the original one, goes for like $30, $35 each. It's worth it. Go ahead and get this one, the wall original stand-up charger, and stop breaking your head with these type of chargers. Yeah, they come on different colors, they look nice, but if it's gonna give you a headache, I prefer not to get them anymore. These are my last stand-up charger that I'm gonna get. Okay, these color chargers, those are the last ones. I'm not gonna get any more of those. From now on, I'm gonna get the original ones, okay? And I don't care if they cost a little bit more. These are the ones I'm going to get. So eventually all my clippers are gonna have the original wall stand-up charger. It lasts forever and your money is worth it even more. This is Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about my stand-up charger, just sharing with you my experience that I've been having with them, okay? So leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, you already know. Sayonara, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.